Rogers Home Phone voicemail can be conveniently accessed in three primary ways: online through the My Rogers portal or app, via email forwarding, and through text, SMS notifications. This video will guide you through each method step by step so you can retrieve your voicemails from anywhere. As of 2025, Rogers has integrated AI enhanced voicemail features, offering options like voicemail transcription and real time alerts. We'll show you how to leverage these features for efficient voicemail management, including the necessary security measures like two-factor authentication to protect your privacy. All methods are available to Rogers Home Phone customers with an active account. Let's get started. Let's dive into how to use each method. For online access, log into your My Rogers account through the website or app. Navigate to the Home Phone section, then select the Voicemail tab to listen to messages or read transcriptions. For email access, enable voicemail forwarding in your My Rogers settings to receive voicemails as audio files or transcripts in your inbox. Remember that AI transcription is very accurate. For text SMS access, opt in for SMS notifications to receive alerts about new voicemails, including caller ID and timestamps. These texts may include a link to listen via the My Rogers app. By using these methods, you can efficiently manage your Rogers Home Phone voicemail from any device, ensuring you never miss an important message. These methods will reduce reliance on physical phones, aligning with modern remote work trends.